Let's prepare to meditate. Adjust your body so that you are comfortable. Close your eyes. Rest your hands in any way that is comfortable for you. Take a nice filling breath in. Breathe deeply in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Continue this breathing a few more times to relax your mind and body. You are ready to begin. This is a breathing meditation where we will focus on our breath to relax our mind and body. Keep your eyes closed and touch your pointer finger to the middle of your chest. Feel around there for a flat, hard bone in the middle of your chest. This is called your sternum. Now slide your finger up to the top of this bone and find the little space at the bottom of your throat. Do you feel this little soft pocket there? Now slowly slide your finger down your sternum until the bone ends and your tummy begins. It will feel soft in this place rather than hard. Have you found this soft spot? For this meditation, as we breathe in, we will slide our finger up our chest. You can take it all the way to the pocket at the bottom of your throat. And as you breathe out, slide your finger to the bottom of your sternum, that soft spot at the very top of your belly. Let's try 3 breaths together. Inhale and slide your finger up. Exhale deeply and slide your finger down. Again, deep breath in, sliding your finger up. Exhale and slide it down. One more time together. Inhale up and exhale down. Now as you breathe, listen to the music and slide your finger up and down as you slowly and deeply breathe in and out. Now, change your focus. Instead of focusing on your breath, put all of your attention on the feeling of your finger tickling up and down your chest. Take a moment now just to relax. Rest your hand somewhere comfortable and enjoy the rest of this mindful minute, listening to the music and relaxing your body. As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor or chair. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that feels good to you. When you are ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find all that's good in your day.